All of the wars have been into.
War?
Yeah, man.
I'm not a war
Yeah,
person.
Mr.
I've
Lex.
never
All
been
of the
in.
wars. You tell him about Tuto. You tell him
Yeah,
about
Mr. Lex, I want to go into a little personal part, like the feuds. Yeah. Oh, I hear about that. Yeah.
This you are. Elephant man them.
What?
Yeah. Style and everything and replacement killer and all that stuff. All of the beef.
Yeah.
Pelpa time and
Yo, I don't.
no curry
What?
chicken.
What beef are you talking
No
about?
curry
I don't-
chicken. No curry
Chicken.
chicken.
I never.
Lexx start the fight.
like
I want to can't defend it.
I never eat beef.
Yeah.
But the Foota hype situation, that was a misunderstanding. That was a total misunderstanding.
Yeah.
Because all that happened was I come from foreign and everybody was like, yo, Lexus, you have Vegas song and the body song. And I was like, what song? 'Cause a long time me and Vegas never heard a song. And I was like, more I hear that tune now. So boom, I'm search and hear the song. When I hear the song say, from you know your belly no bang, and you know so you look good in your tongue, and you know you do like that. Some girl belly bang over like, I was like, oh shit. So I call Vegas and say, yo Vegas, you know see two youth busting our voice. One sing like you, one sing like me, and the song was. That means the industry need back a tune from me and you. So you know we went into the studio and we come up with all of the girl me them on taxi fare. Make me see the wine and put your hand in the air. Some girl no have no cab fare. And in that song, there was a part of it that, you know, we were just being funny.
Yeah.
We never tried to disrespect nobody. We never tried to be rude. Nothing. It's just that what we play with the words. And what we said was the girl them hype and walk up and down. We call them Foota hype. You know, walk up and down.
You walk up and down, foot hype, yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
So in the studio for we, it was just a joke. We wasn't trying to disrespect nobody. Like we wasn't trying. You know what I say? But at the time, like as y'all know, him was associated with
Alliance.
the Alliance people, and you know me and dude wasn't friend at the time.
Yeah.
Or wasn't friends, and so you know he was. So I guess that was a reason for spark some, I don't know what the hell, but however him got the story or whatever, but whatever it is, it wasn't this. But the thing was though, in the party and he just went off. And I styled me in Vegas and thing, and if you know I get to you still, I don't know. For my fans though, I apologize, that is really not me. I'm a nice guy. I'm not a
You blame Mr. Lex.
Let me apologize for that. But me and Foota hype good now. Me and Foota hype good now.
Yeah, big up Foota hype. Yeah, big up Foota hype.
But me and Foota hype good. But me and Foota hype good now.
They reach over
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yo, we can bring up the video now. You can bring up
I
the
don't know
video
how the
now.
fight went.
Yeah.
I was in it.
Yeah.
But when afterward one night I come home, high. So boom and click on the TV and you know sit down in the couch. Like you know we usually do watch the TV before we go to sleep at night time, and I watch True TV and I watch you know like Crazy Brawl. I don't know what my name say was Crazy Brawls Worldwide and stuff, and the things I watch a thing and all of a sudden here. A party in Jamaica, a dancehall DJ. I was like, wait, what?
Yeah.
I don't look. I mean, I see right band, but I said, wait, no, sir.
What?
So I wonder if but then my phone ring, see if them. Yo, dog, get up on True TV.
Boss.
My phone start ring. Yo, dog, get up on True TV. I was like, I don't really mean But yes, but that's how I really see what happened. And I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, but you can bust True TV in Jamaica.
Maybe.
Still. Yeah, man. Mr. Lex bust True TV.
So that was that though.
Yeah.
As for beef though, man,